Alright guys, today we're going to be torture testing the WPL C14 while trying out my version of the WPL hill climb, which I have this piece of 3/4 plywood, and I have made a gauge to show us the angle that we are at. It is just a crude gauge made out of plywood. It took me like 20 minutes to make it. I printed off the dial face, and then I made a crude armature with a weight to tell us exactly where we are. Most people will start their test at 20 degrees. That's just too wimpy for me. I'm going to be starting at 40 degrees, and we're going to work our way up and see just how far this little truck will go with its stock balance configuration. I know a lot of people will put bumper weights and throw the battery in the front and all that. This is absolutely everything's in the stock location. It's just upgraded. So, let's get started. And just in the name of science, I will be putting the toolbox battery cover on, and I'm leaving the spare tire in place, which would actually hurt our chances of climbing any higher. I will be sitting the truck down here on the rubber mat, and I will be starting from the floor with no incline ramp, no starter ramp, just up the wood and see how much we can do. Alright, here we go. WPL C14, 2-speed transmission, metal gears, 40-degree ramp. Applying brakes, letting loose of brakes. I am now not touching the remote. Handles 40 degrees flawlessly. Alright, let's try 45. Alright, and to just confirm my measurements here, we are at exactly 45 degrees according to my meter. Alright everyone, place your bets now. Applying brakes, and we do appear to be sliding backwards slightly, so we might be starting to reach the limits of traction from our poor weight distribution. Alright, letting her down. Shall we try 50? Alright, looking at this angle now, I'm starting to wonder. There it is, right on the mark, 50 degrees. Hopefully this camera is getting a lot of cool shots for us. Are you getting cool shots? You better. WPL C14. $50 degrees. You may have trouble getting traction at the bottom of the ramp. Spinning all 4 tires. We actually have one lifting up. Applying brakes. There is definitely a slide, ever so slightly. We might actually be able to go over 50 degrees. Oh man, you better give us a thumbs up for the wipeout. Alright guys, just because I am really starting to doubt that this thing's going to be able to do 55, I did 53. Anybody have a problem with that? That is really freaking steep, considering that the stock truck would have trouble doing 25 degrees. This is absolutely nuts. 53 degrees. Place your bets. This would be a wonderful time for a commercial break. Battery door just flipped open. Applying brakes. Oh my gosh, I can actually manually lift one of the wheels off of... Hi, you can wave. Check out that slide, huh? Oh man, oh shoot! Oh, that was a nice save. Check it out. 54 degrees, right on the button. Man, I kind of like this gauge. I should have made one of these a long time ago. 54 degrees. Oh man. Gotta wait for the tires to warm up to get traction. Oh, go little truck, go! Go little dude! Applying brakes. Releasing brakes. Alright. It's time to try 55 degrees. Alright. It is now at 55 degrees. Oh man. I'm going to try to sit close so I can save it if it doesn't make it. It just couldn't do it. 55 is just too much for it without bumper weights or wheel weights. That's pretty dang good. Still has plenty of power to spare. That's just first gear. Second gear obviously is not going to be able to do anything. Here, let me give you a perspective of where we're at here. Just for the interest of science sake here. Do one more 50-degree climb. Watching it go up. Could be kind of interesting. Alright guys, I did just notice that I kind of creamed the corner of the bed a little bit. That really sucks because I like this bed. I'm going to gently try to straighten that, but hey, first carnage. I've never bent the bed before, and this thing's been in some pretty gnarly wrecks. Dang. Alright, let me know how you liked the ramp. Let me know what you thought of my little 30-minute angle gauge. I know it's kind of terrible and probably not the best thing, but it worked. So anyway, I am going to charge the battery, fix the bed, and go get this video uploaded. Thanks for watching as always. Stay tuned for more, and I will see you guys next time.